Today we will discuss about question number 3, exercise 8.2 trigonometry. In this exercise we are discussing about trigonometry ratios of some specific angles. We are having 5 specific angles we studied already: 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degrees. These are in our syllabus. We studied the values at these specific angles of trigonometry ratios. We studied about the table of these trigonometry ratios. So once we understand how we are getting the values of different trigonometry ratios at these specific angles, then we will use that values and we will put that trigonometry ratio at specific angles and we will put in the question required values and we will solve, and then we are getting the answer. Clear? So what is the question number 3? If tangent A plus B, what is this one? Tangent A plus B equal to square root of 3 and tangent A minus B equal to 1 upon square root of 3. Clear? We are having tangent theta. A plus B is what? Theta. Now this is the place of the acute angle. So tangent A plus B and tangent A minus B values we are having. A plus B is greater than 0 degree and 90 greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. It means this angle A plus B is what? This angle in between what? 0 to 90 degree, and A is more than B. Value of A is more than B. Find A and B. We want to find the values of A and B. So simple question. Once you understand, then there will be the no problem. What is the question? Observe. Solution of this question is that first, what is the given in the question? We are having two things. We are having first tangent of A plus B and it is equal to square root of 3. We studied various types of the angles, or we can say specific angles of tangent theta. Yes or no? Tangent theta for 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. We studied. We are memorized the values, and how we are getting the tangent theta? Tangent theta is the ratio of sin theta upon cos theta. Clear? Sin theta upon cos theta will be what? Tangent theta. So in the table, observe, we studied this one, tangent theta for 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. What are values? For these specific angles, what is the value of tangent theta? So we studied this is the ratio of sin theta upon cos theta. So it is 0 upon 1 will be what? 0. This will be what? 1 upon square root of 3. This will be what? 1. And this will be what? Square root of 3. And this will be what? Infinity. So already we studied. Don't worry. If you are having problem, you can observe previous lecture. Clear? So question, we are having tangent A plus B equal to square root of 3 and tangent A minus B equal to this one. So first I am taking this one, tangent A plus B equal to square root of 3. In the tangent theta, where we are having square root of 3? 60 degree. When acute angle theta equal to 60 degree, then we are getting this value. So what we can say? Tangent A plus B can be written as what? Square root of 3 is where? At the 60 degree of tangent theta. Theta is 60 degree, then we are getting this value. So this can be written as tangent 60. Yes or no? Observe. In the question we are having tangent A plus B equal to square root of 3. It is given in the question. So from this, what we can say? this square root of 3 in the tangent where we are getting at the angle 60 degree. So tangent 60, square root of 3 is what? Tangent 60. Once we compare, then what we are getting? A plus B both are having tangent, so this can be written as A plus B equal to, in the angle form we can write tangent theta equal to tangent 60, both are tangent, so we can write A plus B equal to 60 degree. Clear? A plus B equal to what? 60 degree. And this is what? Equation number 1. This is what? Equation number 1. Clear? Now for this one, now tangent A minus B, observe tangent A minus B is what? 1 upon square root of 3. And where we are having this value? At the 30 degree. In the tangent theta, theta equal to 30 degree, then we are getting 1 upon square root of 3. So this can be written as what? Tangent A minus B will be equal to tangent 30 degree. When we compare, then what we are getting? A minus B equal to 30 degree. This is the equation number 2. Observe. From the given relation, from the given data, we are getting 2 equations. This is in the tangent theta, tangent A plus B equal to this one. This can be written as tangent 60. When we compare, then we are getting this one. This can be written as this one, tangent A minus B equal to tangent 30. Why? Because tangent 30 equal to this one. Both are same, no difference. When we compare, we are getting. Now we want the values of A and B. Simple. What is the question? We want to find the values of A and B. If we are having 2 equations, in the linear equations we study, if we are having 2 linear equations, we are having different methods to solve these equations. In this standard, in the 10th standard, we are having this topic what? Linear equations of 2 variables. So where A and B are what? Variables. 2 equations we are having, we are different methods, graphical methods, elimination methods and substitution methods. By using these methods we can solve. So I am going to solve these one. How? Now first and second, once we observe, this is 1, this is 1. Once we add both, equation 1 plus equation 2. What I am doing? Equation 1 plus equation 2. Once we add both equation 1 and equation 2 I am adding, then we can say A plus B equal to what? 60 degree and A minus B what? 30 degree. We are doing? We are adding both. So what we will be do? Both will be cancelled. We are getting 2A and adding, so then what will be there? In the right hand side, 60 plus 30 will be 90. So 2A equal to 90. So A equal to what? A equal to 90 upon 2. So finally what we are having? A equal to what? A equal to what? 45 degree. This is the value of A. Observe what we are doing. We want values of A and B. So we are having 2 linear equations. By observing we can say second term plus B and minus B. So we will add both. Then second term B will be cancelled to each other. Only A and A will be remaining. So we add, then A plus A will be what? 2A. And 60 plus 30 will be what? 90. Then once we solve this equation, what we are getting? A equal to 90 upon 2, A equal to 45 degree. We obtain the value of A. Now we will put this value in any equation. In any equation, then we can find what? Value of B. So put A equal to 45 degree in equation 1. In equation 1 I am putting, equation 1 is this one, I am putting the value of A equal to 45. So what will be the value? 45 degree plus B equal to 60 degree. Solve this one. B equal to 60 minus 45. 60 degree minus 45 degree. What we are getting? B equal to 15 degree. So what is the value of B? B is the 15 degree. So we obtained both results. Both results we obtained. Observe again what we are doing. We are having two values, two equations we are having. Tangent A plus B equal to square root of 3. So square root of 3 is what? Tangent 60. Clear? Once we compare, then we are getting this equation. Now second relation we are having this one, and this value will be what? Tangent 30. Compare, then we are getting this one. Two linear equations we are having. Clear? Two variable linear equations we are having. Once we are adding both, then what we are getting? This B will be cancelled from this one. We are adding both. 2A equal to 60 plus 30 will be 90. So after solving, we are getting A equal to 45 degree. Once we put this value to any one of these two equations, we are getting what? 50 degree. So what will be the values of A and B? A is 45 degree and B is what? 15 degree. And both sum A plus B will be what? 45 plus 15 will be 60, and it is greater 60. A plus B is greater than 0 degree and less than equal to 90 degree. It means our result, what values we obtain, both are satisfying this relation also. So I hope you understand this question. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.